Welcome to section 4 of the course. Python is powerful largely because of its built-in data structures. These structures allow you to store, organize and work with data efficiently. In this section we'll learn lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets and list comprehension. These are core concepts that every Python programmer must master. In the next lesson, we will begin with the most commonly used one, lists. A list in Python is an ordered collection of items. It can store anything, numbers, strings, even other lists. Example, fruits equal to apple, banana, mango. Lists are mutable, meaning you can change them after creating them. Accessing list items. List items can be accessed using list name followed by the index number within square brackets. The first element of the list is referred using index 0. For example, print fruits 0 will print apple in this case. Adding items. Append function adds elements to the end of a list. For example, fruits.append orange will add orange to the end of the list. Inserting items. Insert function inserts element at the specified position. For example, fruits.insert 1, grapes will insert grapes at index number 1 of the list. Removing items. Remove function removes the specified element from the list. Fruits.remove banana will remove the specified fruit from the list. Updating. We can refer to a list element by the index number and specify a new value. For example, fruits 0 equal to pineapple. Looping through a list. For fruit and fruits, print fruit. This will loop through the list and will print all the fruits present in the list. Lists are extremely flexible and used everywhere in Python. Tuples are similar to lists but immutable, which means their values cannot be changed after creation. Example, coordinates equal to 10, 20. Here elements are given within normal brackets or parentheses. Why to use tuples? They are faster than lists, good for storing fixed data, often used to return multiple values from functions. Accessing items within a tuple works the same way as in case of lists. We specify the element by giving the index number within square brackets. For example, print coordinates 0. But modifying them is not allowed. For example, if we try to modify coordinates index 0 and try to give it a value 50, it will return an error. Think of tuples as read-only lists. Dictionaries are one of the most powerful features of Python. They store data in key value pairs. Example, student equal to starting curly brace, name Rohan, age 21, course Python and ending curly brace. So here we see that we created a dictionary called student with 3 keys, name, age and course and specific values. We can access values by specifying the key within square brackets. For example, print student and within square brackets we mention the key name. Add a new key. Student city equal to Delhi. Update a value. Student age equal to 22. Remove a key. Student.pop course. Looping through a dictionary. For key, value in student.items, print key, value. Dictionaries are perfect for structured data like JSON, database rows, or configurations. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. It automatically removes duplicates. Example, numbers equal to within curly braces 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Print numbers will print all the elements within the set. Adding items, numbers.add 5. Removing items, numbers.remove 2. Set operations, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, 5. Here we have these two sets and we can apply union, intersection and difference operation on these two sets. First of all, let's see the result of the union operation, print A dot union B. This will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print A dot intersection B will give us 3. Print A dot difference B will give us 1, 2. All these operations are similar to the set operations what we learn in mathematics. Sets are useful when you need uniqueness or fast membership checking. List comprehension is a quick way to create new lists using a readable one-line expression. Basic structure: new list equal to within square brackets expression for item in iterable. Example 1. Squares of numbers from 1 to 5. Squares equal to within square brackets x into x for x in range 1, 6. Print squares. Example 2. Even numbers within 1 and 20. Evens equal to within square brackets x for x in range 1, 20 if x modulo 2 equal to 0. List comprehension is preferred for clean, concise code. Try these exercises to strengthen your understanding. First, create a list of 5 cities. Replace the third city with another one. Second, create a tuple of 5 numbers and print their sum. Third, create a dictionary. For a book with title, author and price, add a new field year. Fourth, create 2 sets and print their intersection. Fifth, use list comprehension to generate a list of squares from 1 to 10. Small exercises like these help you internalize the concepts. Let's build a mini project using lists and dictionaries, a contact book. Our program will add a new contact, view all contacts, search for a contact. Here's the code. Contacts equal to square brackets. We initialize a contact list which is initially blank. Then we run a infinite loop, a while true loop. While true, print 1. Add contact, 2. View contacts, 3. Search contact, 4. Exit. So this is a menu where we can make a choice. Choice equal to int input, enter choice. If choice equal to 1, name equal to input, enter name. Phone equal to input, enter phone. Contacts dot append name, phone. So we append a dictionary object to the contacts list with the name and the phone number entered by the user. Print contact added. Elif, choice equal to 2 for C in contacts. So second choice is view contacts. So we'll loop through the list and display all the contacts. For C in contacts, print C name, C phone. Now the third choice which says search contact. So elif choice equal to 3, search equal to input, enter name to search, found equal to false. So we initialize a boolean variable found as false and then we loop through the contact list. If we find the particular name in the list, we set found to be true. So for C in contacts, if C name equal to search, if the name matches for the current object, then print found and print the name and the phone number. Set the found variable to true. If not found, print contact not found. So in case we loop through and we do not find the particular contact, then we print contact not found. The fourth choice, elif choice equal to 4, which is exit. In that case, we say we print a message, print goodbye, and we break out of the infinite while true loop. Else, in case a user enters a choice which is not between 1 and 4, then that is invalid choice. We print the specific message and we again iterate the next iteration of the loop. So else print invalid choice. This project gives real experience with lists, dictionaries, loops and conditions. Great job completing section 4.